I'm not in the game, but I hear the comms, and it's pretty funny. Hey, Ben Van Wolf. Closing bye, Shandil. Be safe. Yeah, Richard just sent me one. Hello. Hey, Moja. Moja. Yeah, it's Vestige. Madame is in the would be that would be that would be hindi manawan gosh mol charge kumne charge mata to ngaji maka kumi fa na ni ke kumi uchak ke jong je na kumi nget na ke right kumi ta fa nu uchak nam turn right okay okay. All right, let's get it. What happened? Oh, we're just standby. All right, you're all right. Ain't no rush. Sorry guys, I'm live on YouTube. I love edit videos, so I love having footage. It's not popular, but just for me. It's a FSM 691 Koshai. Yeah, I need to put it on. Oh, I got people watching now, but alright, guys. I just waiting for one of my teammates. I have to. Mm, wow, I cannot even see your name on the lobby. I mean, I see you on top right, but not on the friend list. Yeah, something going on right now. It's okay. We'll be alright. Hey, point man, baby. Hey, what's your favorite, Richard? What's your favorite class? Alright, alright, she's back. We got this, we got this. And then your prestige what? Uh, damn! Damn, I'm 4. I mean, I used to play this game. This is my re-up account. Yeah, yeah. Cause my first account got banned because I cheat on GTA. Like I steal money from GTA and I just bought the stuff on the store for free. So they caught me and they were like, "Why this guy never spent money on his transaction? He got all the stuff on the game." So they sent me an email and all that. Then later on they blocked my account. They were like, "We know what you're doing, bro. You're not slick." But I ain't cheating on this new account. I ain't do no cheating. I'm just a regular player. Like I just started straight up. No more nothing. Yeah. Yeah, no, I don't do cheat no more on the new account. Or nothing no more.
Hunt down and eliminate
I
hostiles
just do it
working
in
in the area.
2019. That's
Securing this
the
area.
end of it. Like I do uh, God mode, money frozen, duplicate. Like you duplicate, you use a free car, and you change it into a $5 million car. You know. All right, copy that. Oh, they hate each other. Oh, Eden Good is always here. I don't know why he is. You know what happened? I know Eden Good randomly by seeing his name or go against him since 2018, bro. That's what he want to do every time. He want to lose. I don't know what the hell is the purpose, bro. Maybe making clips, you know, and making funny clips, and cause he been doing that shit for years, bro. Since 2017, 18, bro. I played this shit long time ago. Maybe 20, and I trip and say 17. How old am I? What? 20 some. I'm still in my 20.
I'm placing a mine right here.
29. I'm about to hit 30.
We've got enemy activity. Marking position.
I'm a Pacific Islander. Oh, what are you doing, bro? They just playing too much. Yeah, they want me to go there and die. Yeah, that's all it is. It's okay. Oh,
The recon tower is back online.
I gotta be careful. I only got a sniper. Bean it, please. Do you think somebody's watching your dead body? Oh wow. Watching your dead body. Wow, he made it.
Located.
Whoa, bro. That's crazy. Yeah, that's a guy watching
Picking
your
up a
dead
signal from
body.
the recon tower. It'll be
Yep.
active soon.
Shit, man down.
Hey, run, Peter Pan, run.
Frag out. Come mierda, culeros. I'll fix you.
I got you, partner.
I'm placing a mine right here.
Yeah, go for the recon again if necessary, please.
Recon tower is back online.
Oh shit, he just picked up point, man. Just like I thought. They're here with me.
Kill confirmed.
Nice. Oh, I pinned him. I pinned his ass. Alright, copy that. Moving in with you.
Frag out. Frag out. Placing a mine for our Sicario.
He's on us, he's on us. He died.
Enemy forces neutralized.
Oh my god. Eating good is the reason why they lost. I don't know what he's doing. Look at his prestige, 160. He's been here for a long time. I mean, don't get me wrong, but some of the stuff you cannot even access as a low rank, you know?
If you have iron, it's 40 years, 14 years, and you play like an idiot. Some, I'm not saying now, some people not understand the game. It's the things you want.
Eliminate hostile forces in the area.
Look, he always leave. Look, you just want to lose.
Like, now, he's not. No, because any listen.
All right.
Silence wrong? No.
Catch you.
Where the hell are you going? Get back to your team.
videos and you put it on YouTube, Frank?
TikTok. I live on YouTube, post on TikTok. But sometimes I post on YouTube. I just love seeing the footage that I have. I ain't trying to, you know.
What's your name on TikTok?
Uh, I think it is the same on YouTube. Let me tell you this. Yeah, it's the same on YouTube. It is FSM691 Koshai.
Yeah.
You can see,
Otherwise,
you can see. So we're friends, right? You can see my activities because we're friends, and my activities it say I'm live.
Got anti-personnel mines over here.
Oh shit, who killed you, bro? That's. I think it's in the building. That's all it is.
she only looked if you play the game, not your TikTok account or something.
Taking fire.
All right, copy that.
Heads up. Got enemy activity.
Oh, nice, 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 nice.
Wait, let me place a mine.
One hostile remaining. Let's get this done.
Going for you, Richard.
MBS on
Frag out.
TikTok?
FSM. Wait, I show you. I show you.
Enemy forces.
Oh, we got it. We got it. All right. It is FSM.
Yeah, can you send me?
All right, let me try to find you on PS.
God, thank you for. Rising up from the shadows of the Northern Dare on the battlefield with legends of forged and dotted. Guns blazing bright. I'm the master of my fate. In Call of Duty Mobile, I dominate, no debate. I'm dropping in hard.
Let me go to the party and just message. Yeah, that's the easiest way. Professional way. Hey. No.
I can look at your TikTok everything. You have the most videos on TikTok?
Yeah. I post GTA, Call of Duty, and Ghost Recon. That's all I post. I usually, most of my videos is Call of Duty. You know. But I got the account that got banned on the TikTok. You can see me invincible on the MK3. Yeah, it's crazy. I tried for MK3
Now I look on your FS1.
TikTok. But you can see the whole videos when I have my GTA account.
I'm gonna see later.
Yeah, yeah, you can do whatever later. I love TikTok, man. You can even find out the real, like war videos, viral videos before you even got, you know, added and figured out instead of the original one. TikTok always have that first original one, and then because they just post it immediately. People on TikTok just post that shit immediately.
With the big boobs that you want posting on TikTok.
What did you say? You see
I
it?
don't know why they do this. Fucking
You see a big woman's boobs.
oh, I'm looking for videos. I'd say that they build houses in the roof, you know, where they have this kind of stuff.
I'm talking about when they dig the ground and use the sand to build the house.
Oh, that, yeah.
Do you know they cause a lot of problems in Philippines? Cause you know what they do? They just go and build the area just for the video and left it abandoned. That's mean they messed up the entire area by digging it up and put the water in. You know they build big area too. Just using their hands, but they fake. They're using shovels. You talking about the Filipinos videos where they use their hands and shit?
Yeah. But this is not my problem. Making all.
They look good though, but they are a scam. Cause they use shovels and all different equipment, and they just act like they just use their hand. I don't know. That's what I find out. They're right next to where I'm from. I'm right next to Australia. That's right. There's a little island right next to Australia.
Can you tell me in kangaroo?
Every time everybody say Australia, they say kangaroo. Kangaroos say fuck the entire world. Let's go to Australia.
Hunt down and eliminate hostile forces in the area.
Drone going up.
What's up, YouTube?
one left and 3 right.
Copy that. Yo, what's up, Atari? If you want to join us in the game, one of us gonna leave. I'm gonna play for a little while. You can join me later on.
I'm planting a mine. I'm placing a mine right here.
Copy. Bam! No. 2 shots, miss. Moving fast. Damn. Oh!
Grenade.
There he is. They got smoke. We gotta go closer.
Don't wait with that. Assassin. Here. Go there. One is coming for you.
Yo, placing a mine over here. Hostiles are getting loud. Taking heavy fire here.
Oh shit. Sorry, I didn't hear you. There's 2 right there on my date, buddy. That's what he said.
Recon tower is back online. The enemy's gathering intel on us.
Taking fire! Taking fire!
Coming to you. Right next to me. Next to you.
Frag out! Eat it, fuckers!
Taking heavy fire.
He's dead.
All friendlies down.
There was
Objective
assassin
lost.
in the front of me. building, his house?
Hunt down and eliminate hostile forces in the area.
All right.
Pushing.
Assholes are
Get
getting
out.
Copy. Damn, you're right in the middle like that? Oh no. Oh yeah.
Hostiles are going live. Wait, let me place a mine. Yo, I'm placing a mine over here.
frag out.
That's a
Hold
trap.
up, Dust. Shit, I'm pinned down.
Yeah, nice one.
Frag out. Heads up. We got enemy activity. We've got to fix them.
Picking up a signal from the recon tower. They'll be active soon.
Enemy down.
They're gonna kill us, don't they?
Yeah, that's part of the game.
You stupid ass.
Get your ass up.
Richard is up.
I'm back in business.
Mm-hmm.
Yo, I'm planting a mine.
Yes, sir. You're welcome.
Recon tower is back online.
Yo, I'm placing a mine.
Hostiles are going live.
On the balcony, green building.
Alright, both of them is right there. Let's move downhill. We'll be alright.
I was on balcony.
Oh, they got a snipe. Oh no! Somebody's here.
Frag out. Heads up.
Frag out. Come mierda, culeros.
You see? What do you do? Yeah, you see it?
What? Did it really?
Now let's do it.
Ain't no way, bro. Oh. Sorry, you got the recon.
I'm accessing the
You see what he do? He was jumping from here on the balcony.
Picking up a signal from the recon tower. They'll be active soon.
Nice.
Shit, taking fire.
Wait.
Oh.
Hello?
No.
Shit. Taking fire.
No.
Wait. Thanks.
Hang on.
What's on my mind? gonna sit there on my mind.
Ucap na lang na garage.
Just a flesh wound.
The recon tower is back online.
Target
Hostile
eliminated.
remaining. Let's get this done.
Yo, I'm planting a mine.
I'm placing a mine for our Sicario friends. I'm the best there is at what I do.
Accessing the intel. Watch my six. Taking fire! Taking fire!
I got this. Just watch my back while I access the intel.
Enemy position located. Picking up a signal from the recon tower. It'll be active soon.
Grenade, move, move, move!
Step it up. We're running out of time.
Oh, where is he? Yo, he cheating.
Yeah, he was 100%. He's the other guy also.
Oh my god, man. What the hell? Yo, why you cheating, motherfucker? Pussy ass motherfucker.
Chase me, motherfucker.
Fuck you.
Chase me, you fucking lazy bitch.
Yeah, now he say, chase me, you lazy bitch. What? The fuck is wrong with him? Do you know that's what he said? When I go to the game chat, that's what he say. He say, chase me, chase me. Yeah, he cheating, man. So that rock, that little rock, you can spawn on a different area on the map. What?
Hunt down and eliminate hostile forces in the area.
I've seen people do it before a lot of times, so. Look at him, bro.
Yeah, now glow. Now Dorsey.
Hey! I'm sorry, man. I can't win with these guys.
Let me place a mine over here. I'm pinned down over here!
None of them left. One on my body right now.
I'm gonna love. We're fucking losing.
Yeah. No, one of them left.
Picking up a signal from the recon
Oh,
tower.
yeah.
They'll be active.
This guy got it. Just you know, you got it.
Not maybe.
Oh shit, close. Go up to the rock. You see that rock is way better.
Let it play.
Oh, alright. Oh, one of them left too? Yes. Yeah, you try to make you shoot. Look. Ah! And like running around.
You have
Recon tower is back online.
Martin thing on? Oh,
Look, you try to get shot. Look, you glitching, bro.
Enemies gathering intel on.
Ooh. He's coming. Yep. Hello?
on your right, on your right, on your right.
What?
Next to the building.
Oh, okay, I'm coming.
Maggie. Behind you. Oh, you want to kick you?
All friendlies down. Objective is lost.
It's not always, yeah, that's true. Yeah, it's good. Me also. Have a good night and you too. Bye bye.
I can set you. Hey Siri. Daddy, look, you ready? Daddy,
Hey Siri. Oh, call Chantel.
Calling Chantel.
Hi.
Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Aim the call.
Siri, call
Hey
my
Siri.
dad.
Calling Daddy.
Hey Siri. Loco.
What?
Look, say Siri, I want YouTube. Never mind. Say Siri, I want Roblox. No, not press that.
Turn open.
You say, hey Siri, I want Roblox. Never
You'll
mind.
need to
No
unlock your
press.
iPhone first.
Just say it. It's okay.
I cannot see.
Look.
Why is it pressed in?
Hey Siri, put YouTube.
You'll need to unlock your iPhone first.
Try. Try, see. Say, hey Siri, I want Roblox.
Hey Siri, I want Roblox. It's not working, see?
Say, hey Siri, and then you say, I want Roblox. See? Say. Say it.
Hey Siri, play Roblox.
Hey Siri, play me a good music. Hey Siri, volume all the way up. Hey Siri, stop the music.
How did you do that?
Hey Siri, play the music.
Look at me. That's my purple. Hey Siri.
Hey Siri,
Turn off the
stop the
song.
music. I'm tired, okay? Hey Siri,
Play the song.
play Cocomelon.
Here's Wheels on the Bus Cocomelon Nursery Rhymes and Kids Songs MP3 by Lurin.
This season, let your shoes do the talking. Designer Shoe Warehouse is packed with fresh styles that speak to your whole vibe without saying a word. From cool sneakers that look good with everything, the easy sandals you want to wear on repeat, PSW has you covered. Find a shoe for every you, from the brands you love, like Birkenstock, Nike, Adidas, New Balance, and more. And to your DSW store or visit DSW.com today.
Hey Siri. Cocomelon. Hey Siri, don't put the song Cocomelon.
Men coffee är på kvällen.
I know! There's a lot, Daddy! Look, flowers on me!
Put it up. Hey Siri, stop that, okay? I'm tired.
Opening state of mind in the Hellbat.
Oh,
Turn off the Cocomelon.
never mind, Siri. You put the wrong thing. Shush, again. Wow. Hey Siri.
Put the song.
You say it to your phone.
How about the mushroom? To make salt. Hey Siri, put the phone notes.
Why? Then get school one.
Okay.
Hey, come eat this one, put trash inside.
Yes.
Where's your money?
Huh?
Where's your money?
What?
Where's your money? Where's the money that we give you? It's okay. Where is it? Just sit down. I need home. Pick it up. Why you put it there? Hmm?
What?
close for it.
Daddy.
Yeah, over. 잠들. 재밌어.
That actually tastes amazing, and I have so much more energy. This has got to be like $500, right?
It's $5.
$5?
Yeah.
Where can I get